Hello, teacher. A good afternoon. Today I want to tell you about an important event in my life. I getting a new house, warehouse assistant in restaurant. This event occurred last year in October. At that time, I was looking for new opportunity because I want to gain more experience and improve my skills. One Friday morning, I went to the restaurant's office for how interviewed. I very nervous, but also excited. During the interview, the supervisor asked me question about my nervous experience, teamwork, in organization. I responded honestly and confident. 2 days later, they called me and told me how I have gotten to how. I feel very happy and proud because I was important as the for me future. The first day arrived early and my coworkers they were very friendly and made and feel at home. At first, I didn't know many things and made some meal makers. About meeting super beto me helped me learning quickly and adapt. I am happy to belong to this family and to carry out my daily activities because they represent an important uh, achievement in my life and because I feel very happy to work there. Uh, Thank you, teacher.